Okay, let's do some long form content here. Quick update for everyone. Well, this will probably be more than a quick update. So this is the second light that's going in the attic. That was already here. I've got the old box here. I just gotta take out the old cable now, but the new one is pulled. Goes all the way over to there. Down. Through the floor to here. And then from here over to here. So now this is a three-way switch. So that means you can turn it on, come upstairs, and then turn it off. Because that way you don't have to go up the stairs in the dark. Or leave a light on if you were sleeping up here. This is not a bedroom for us, but it was a bedroom for, I guess, probably students. Because the previous owners had it rented out to students. Yeah, so that's probably why over there, tucked in the corner, there was a plug-in light plugged into the wall over here. So you can see coming up the stairs and not trip and fall. So that's one thing. I now have everything pulled. All my wires are now pulled, which is great. Except for, the only one I have to pull is now down to the basement. So actually going to the panel. The other really important thing I want to show everyone, this is probably only going to be a couple minutes, and it'll be one cut. I'm shooting this on my phone. Not going to do anything fancy here. Maybe I'll do something fancy. I haven't decided yet, actually. So, check this out. Look at that. That right there, that is from mice. So, quick backstory. We bought this house. It had been vacant for 7 months. Because COVID happened, all the students went home, and the owners didn't want to keep holding this house that they weren't living in and wasn't rented. So they sold it, and we bought it. I don't know if this happened before. No, it would have had to happen before, because this was actually all disconnected. This wiring was not connected to power. But at some point, mice chewed it, and they just disconnected this stuff. So that was fun. So we're slowly replacing everything, and we're rewiring a bunch of stuff and moving a couple switches around. And some of the other things I'm finding are old knob and tube. Thankfully, none of it had power, but look at some of the stuff that they've done here. So these things, knob and tube to, this would have been old school 2-conductor insulated wire with no ground in it. Right, so this stuff was all just in the friggin' ceiling. So ceiling, when I say ceiling, I mean the ceiling of the second floor, which is the floor of the attic where I am. This red wire here was connected to that box, and the other side of that box had knob and tube, and that box was hidden in the floor there, which, I mean, that's against so many different codes, I don't even know where to begin with that one. So that was fun. Yeah, guys, girls, people, if you're gonna do work, hey, I'm not, let me pause here for a second. I am not a electrician. I am a homeowner that knows enough to be able to do my own work and follows code and follows all of the proper regulations. What the hell is that? And why was this still in the ceiling?